Hey guys, so a long time no talk. Been too busy, haven't even had a chance to start the car since we went to PEI. So we're out here in Memram Cook. My buddy Mike, the guy with the orange Challenger, he also has a project car. He's got an SRT 4 Neon that he's been working on, and it's been a year and a bit, almost 2 years actually, that he's been working on it, and we're getting close to finally being able to start it. So we'll show you what it's going to look like. Happy?
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah, definitely.
So, anyways, motor's been completely gone through. New turbo, 1000cc injectors. Car's gonna work wicked as soon as we get it up and running. So, anyways, we'll give you guys a heads up once we finally start it. Mike! What are we doing?
Start up the Neon. Get a load of.
So we
gotta
got
wait for this thing. It's taking forever.
blue tuner that's doing something. Bunch of lights on in the dash. That
They
hasn't
will
been
be
there
on
for a year and a half now.
Okay, come on. Why is that not? These things are so slow.
It's doing stuff.
My CD player was going off before.
Really?
Oh, I got your GPS. I gotta put that in.
Yeah.
Holy
something.
moly. So
We're getting close. Really close.
oh, I gotta get my okay.
Mike, what just happened? What
Finally
happened?
tuned. Finally tuned. Because of this guy right here.
This guy's the SRT Tune Whisperer, because Diablo sucks and was so complicated. But good news is there's a tune in the computer. So what's the next step, Mike?
We're gonna start her.
We're gonna start her. So this is the first start since complete engine rebuild. Oh, I hope this is doing justice on this video. So guys, I'm sure that video is not doing it any justice. That sounds great for a little 4-cylinder turbo Neon. We're still a long ways away from being able to take it for its first test drive, but we're going to button up everything else, and then we'll get you a video of it running. Okay guys, so it's dark. We're getting ready to go home. And the neon's ready to go. Yeah, they're on. There's no power steering fluid? What'd you say?
There's no power steering fluid in the car.
Yeah, I'll lead. I'm just gonna get you out of the garage. Yeah, got the
You know what the
phone.
lights are?
Yep. Hurry, Mike. Let's get her in gear. Woo! Woo! You don't have to go so hard. They go easy. Huh? Yeah, they're on. Took 2 years, but he's getting the driver. Woo! And we're gonna be rolling. So, Neon's home. On the way home, we forgot the bulbs. So now we got headlights, fog lights. So we're better on that situation. We've got a few things to tidy up in the engine bay. Just really pretty much get some new hoses and we should be able to fix up most of this. But after just about 2 years of being in pieces, the Neon made it home under its own power. Sounds unreal. What a whistle coming out of the turbo. So tomorrow we should have boost lines all hooked up and should be able to finish the break-in. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and don't forget, like and subscribe. I know it's been a little bit since we did the last video, but we're gonna try and make more time and do some more. So now we got the Demon Neon. So we'll see what this does.